Hello people, Kulimbula. Welcome back to another episode of life in the village. So this is the update from the seawall. Goes down over there. When we out on the sea, we will show you the seawall. So today's vlog is about a youth. So MYF. This is what we do. We will show you guys what we do on our MYF rally. It's like all of the MYF all around Mutiriki is going down to rally in one village, and we just want to show you guys how was the rally, what we doing on the rally. So let's go. And the weather, it's cloudy. Look. This is the captain. Morning. Good morning, boy. Bu, yung bumbaw boy. Yung hen bumbaw. Unbelievable cup. What time we will come back? After the rain, what time?
High tide.
High tide like this tomorrow.
Midnight.
So hope we go now. This is our food stuff, people. This is the beside the island of Buffalo. Wenalox. So we're gonna drop off Chuchi and Uncle Joe here. Uncle Joe. They're going to Suva for the job interview. Where, brother? Interview more. Interview bring Barco. Eh? Huh? Interview bring the Barco.
Parto polisi. Da parto ya yu. Oye, nada. Yung kanto singi, adan na nga mo ni mangga, nada. Eh? Bantu tadi ko.
Iba na sala.
Ya.
Dan tarang ini ka sa lawan nang gani. Bulimang nga kami sa tampisalan ni Bingit.
Ikaw apa mamari Chuchi som.
Oy, sa si mama rito. Na malawang organ si Tom.
Okay, una ka.
Okay.
Mole?
Nga.
Kalawat ka.
Naka. Di naka. Oy.
Sa simbang ka?
Ito ka na sa buo. Asan kay komik na Sony Bule?
Oy.
Bukara ni Nico. Kasama dala na put. Hey.
So for now, people, we're gonna go down to Sabuna for the rally. We're gonna go down. The ending of the island of Mutiriki, the first village you set out is when you arrive from Waiwala, where we usually take a boat from when we go to the mainland. It's Sabuna. So yeah.
Get off.
So people, we arrive at Sabuna now. Sabuna is the village where we're gonna do our rally. And then I just want to take this time to thank you to all of each of you for your supporting our channel. Thank you very much, appreciate it. And thank you for your lovely comment. And I saw some comments asking why Ura. So lots of people are asking about Ura. But we didn't do anything to him. He chose to leave. So yeah, that's why we didn't even know what he didn't tell us he leaves or he chose to leave. So yeah, that's all for all of the comment who are asking why we separated from Ura. He chose to leave. So that's all the answer that we can say. And the reason too I'm doing the vlog is it's not for me. And it's the boys' idea. They want to be still on the vlogs, on the YouTube. So yeah. And one thing to people, and we hope that you still enjoy our video. And thank you very much for your support. For this video to people, for the past video, for the video that we're doing with Ura, there's nothing new we're gonna showcase to you. It's the same life that we always do in the village. Nothing new to the video that will be releasing each of everyone. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. So for now people, it's time to move on to the rally video. So we're gonna show you guys what we're doing on the rally. So yeah, let's go, let's see. People, this village too, it's have 6 houses on it. Only 1, 2, 3 house is with the people. So we will see how is the village. This is the road to the village. It's go up like this. So let's see. So this is how the village looks like. There's one house here. There's a church there. That's the pasta house with the blue house over there in front. One there, that one. There's a green one there. And there's a green one there. This is Sabuna village in Muturiki. So yeah.
Hey! Hey, mama!
So people, we're gonna do the cleaning today. We're gonna clean all the surrounding of the village. So yeah, it's not gonna be really like a church. It's gonna be really like a work to the village. Because there's no enough people living in the village, so we're gonna clean the surrounding of the village to keep the village look nice. So yeah, this is my uncle Pan Ramomo. Good morning, good morning. See, we're gonna do the cleaning to the village, eh?
Yeah. Yo.
You so smiley. Huh?
You gotta eat fish.
So this gang is gonna take along the other side of the village. Ada macau. Macau ya. And over here two people. You can see this is Muturiki over here, going up like this. And this side, over there, it's overlong. It's just near there. You can see the lovely view here. Yeah boy, sexy undercover view. How about if a movie shoot here? So yeah, some of us is gonna continue cleaning from here, and the other side of the, and the other one is in front over there. Huh? So just start memory. This is why an explanation about what we're doing right now.
This is
Labor. It's good for you.
It's good when we come. It's just a story.
Share the love under the breadfruit.
Wow.
So people, time to move on. We're gonna clean this end of this building, end of this village. Like a wearing Billy. The what? White. Wedges. Wait. I think white. So yeah, we're gonna continue and see you soon. In this village too, people. There's lots of breadfruit here. It's nearly breadfruit season in Sabuna. Yeah.
This is the very rich village in Motor.
This one, eh? Only how many people live in this village?
Only the rich.
Four people live in this village.
Oh, other than one side.
One side. So we're gonna clean the village, eh? This is really MYF really.
MYF really. That's other people.
Right. Thank you for the donation.
And God will help you.
So there's two other guys there. They're gonna. So there is it, people. We have already done this part. Because then there, over there. So it's time for a voice rest. And then we're gonna continue back here. So people, let's just go and see the other guys. So yeah.
Fucking tight over here.
The what?
We are so tight.
Other boy.
Yeah.
How was the work?
Yeah, it's really good morning and it's good weather, no sun,
Hey.
cloudy, and it's good.
How was Bang?
Benga is good, but yeah, we can't say much because we're going to do a little bit from. We can see Tua here, Tua here. Tua, say good morning. Morning.
Oi, good morning.
Yeah, where you from, Tua?
I'm from Fiji.
You from Fiji? Which part Fiji? Tua is from Fiji, Laos. Yeah, and this is our Taltala. You can see it before?
Pula.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So this is Sabuna. As we can see Sabuna here.
Other boy.
Alright. Oh, morning guys. Ya. Dalam apa paling matutulog?
MYF.
MYF. All the village in Motoriki. We came down to first village when you enter the island. Sabuna goes up. Yeah, we are here cleaning up the village, weeding. The elders, they're planting cassava on the other side. Yeah, we're helping this village, Sabuna.
To be clean, eh?
Yeah, clean and plant some cassava for them. Because only a few of them staying here.
Only 4 people.
Only 4 people. 4. So yeah, good luck, eh?
Yeah. What happened to your eyes?
Oh, too much. Eh?
So this is the leader of the youth.
Yeah.
My brother here.
Oh,
Thank you, brother.
Bula.
Time for some guavos. So people, time to move on. How is it look? How is it?
Small village.
Huh?
Yeah, small village in the village.
Small village, big guy.
Small village, big guy.
How is it like? How is it?
Oh, like here, good. Ada baru dia baru.
What?
Oh, only the stone there. Stone.
Stone, eh?
Yeah, on the stone there. Stone man.
Tapi kanga ko mekanya na apa tumimbak? Woi, nemu tu soal kau imbak ah? Ah?
Girlfriend.
Who? Uncle Koro? Uncle.
Wala.
How about a fixed marriage?
Look. That's our row on the other side. So we're already done here. So it's time to move on to another destination. Kuli. Laga kuli. So people, it's time to move on. So people, it's time to move on. We're gonna clean this area where Makishi started from. On the other side. This is the other side of the village. Oh, musuh lagi nak utur tunggu. Saya cik sing minta kor. Uncle, good morning, uncle.
Yeah, good morning. How are you to find out?
Welcome to the hood, eh? Back to the route, eh? Oh, this is all. How is it, uncle? Uncle siapa?
Belum binakan sekarang kau nak kena tepuk kena titi ni bakal solo.
Oi.
Solo Buddha.
Oi. Yang lagi.
Kalau kepalanya kau lewat merisi sorkit. Oh, Jamaica.
Oh, hello.
Jamaica.
Hajita.
Hello.
Jamaica.
You from where?
Me from
Afghanistan.
Afghanistan.
And this is the baby of the wood.
This is Mikai.
Mikai, where's Mikai?
Chula ni lalele.
Lakani nabi talon na ambos ya.
So next thing we're gonna plant cassava. This is for the new pastor. Arriving new pastor for the. And this is the owner of the village. How is it, boy?
Good.
This is Chope.
Cool, guys.
As you can see, the boys are chilling right now. My momo here. And this Amin Fala here, Talay. What is the place for you to take your photo, Talay? Makan dua.
Makan atas sih.
This is Sabuna village.
Ah?
This is Sabuna village.
Yeah. Boys and girl.
Come to Sabuna.
Eh.
Come with a girl attitude.
Not just all the boys attitude. Come with the girl.
Come with a girl with you. Girl, boy too. You boy, you girl too.
So this is the ones. How's it? This is the dal. After we have a lunch, and then that's how we're doing. It should be a really chance, and then But we are starting now to not only go for church, just go work for the people that like the mother that didn't have father, or the wife that their parents are like the husband that the wife died. So we are trying to change in the other place. Like that. For now, you just enjoy the view behind me. So yeah. How is it?
Good.
An explanation from the
Explanation.
how was the work today?
Work today is very
Yeah. We're changing the technique to technique, the really technique. But this one is good for us.
yeah good
Work,
for us. Yeah.
Not just church, work.
Work. Church and work.
How was the lunch, uncle?
Oh, very good, man.
Yeah?
You know, the people bless the lunch over there. The good for me to take my photo if I eat plenty food right now.
Oh yeah. Time for the rest.
Time for the rest.
Yeah. That's how the really goes.
Okay.
The woman do the weaving.
How's the suki? How's the suki?
Suki very
Good. Tastes
Very
like.
good, tastes like this suki. This suki tastes like $10 suki.
Okay.
Yeah. As now in the village no more $10 suki. But this one $10 suki.
Yeah.
Tastes like the $10 suki.
Yeah.
Boat kara.
Boat kara. Look at this guy. Popo. Popo time.
Tastes like bardo.
Popo with the milk and sugar.
Popo. Oh.
Popo finish.
Have it.
Poo there.
You can eat the poo.
Pala it's a popo. Popo.
Yeah, poo.
Big popo there.
As you can see, my momo right now is about to mix the kulsik, the popo with the milk there. See, that's the milk with the sugar.
And the what?
And the what, Kai? What's the name of the...
Popo.
Papaya.
Papaya.
The papaya.
Papaya. When he mix the milk with the popo, the thing gonna taste like kulsik. This is Fijian kulsik, as you can see. And see these guys coming back from having tea. You see my talay here. Parado. You see my momo here. Koyali.
Kau sa wargi suka santan.
As you can see, he's mixing right now. That's tastes like kulsik. You wanna try? Milk popo.
Iwan dudu.
Rita meluteki.
Kain rotal juga kong.
This.
Bless tatakau.
Wait, that's takao.
Tatakau look like takau. Scared. Oh, you go tap that big one.
Big one.
Big one. Come on, guys. As you can see, this is all my cow.
Oi.
Boys susungis na cows here.
Okay. This is singis.
This is my talibus, what you call the Ambanbul cows in Papalay.
Cattle farms.
Cattle farm. This is my big father cattle farm. As you can see, the big one here. The big one giving the breed.
Oi. We will bless some of the people in Mutriki have cow in the land.
My tale will give one to us.
Oi.
Girl one. You.
Oi.
See, this one here giving the breed.
Oi.
This is the bull.
Giving the.
Giving the children.
Oi. He's a boy still giving the children.
Oh no. He fuck the lady then. Fuck the lady. This one can give birth.
Oi.
Oh no. This one very dangerous. First time I come here, I touch this one.
Oi.
But now look like this one is very ngap.
Lots of people.
Boy. The boy. See this big here.
Iya.
This big heavy. You want to ride?
Jangan main sini.
My boy. Hey, kuah. See this one here, mano, this one, good one. This big one, mano one. Because when the bull macau is naughty, the nose like this, we do the dula.
Dula.
Dula so the cow not naughty.
Oi.
When dula, that one not gonna chase you.
Oi.
But when not dula, you gonna run away. So that's it for today, people.
Oi.
Thank you for being here.
Thank you for touring the people to your
Now it's time,
Talebusa cattle farm in
now it's
Sabuna.
time for the people of the cattle farm to go eat some grass.
Time to join that dot.
Time to join the dots. Hey, complete the circle.
This one.
Come, we tie that thing leka, then we lomba the suit.
Oi. How do you lombat?
Lomba the suit.
The more lomba, the more baby.
We don't buy the powder what.
Oi.
We drink the fresh milk.
Oi.
Just lomba like this. Go put the hot water there. Sugar. Makan dua.
Oi. Very smart.
Very smart. Thank you for being here today. Now it's time for complete the circle.
Complete the circle. Oh, yeah, okay. So people, it's time for our meeting. MYF meeting. After the work. So yeah, let's see.
Jintu sin cikeli wagi bina katsingan sa rana tu sot ena buku ni pulang bang nak katun mai tarach kuni kuah wakana sasana tu sana cikin menunggu cuma mata tu tunggu nanti tu projek nak katun tarang mai nasi sarna real sauc nanti tu merawat nanti tu metu tarana bagi muan yang bagi go nak boleh ni tambah lagi anda tu nanti cukup tu sawa si cikin ya walon raw dona tambah lagi batau walon raw dona tambah lagi batau tu lima cukup nasi sar una tambah lagi nuda tambah lagi loma o limbau ro siamo kota cukup nyumba sana patiki dakwe ro samba cukup nyumba sana patiki dak ana lima tambah lagi metu na rawat kini wanundu na kotisin tu sarmoda runun dulu wanan rau cukumbak tu sasongkon ko juga mere wanan dulu belatan isau ni kena vila baik kena usomeni ya watan sotar na kalale reni wawo cikin wando na kena sangai na project ya sa tutarawo cina ma bula sawaci sana betara macuna sambu bada panondo tu vital tare lo menentu vikoko sambu bada dona kartu sarin ramadani kuah nawuci sambu tarane kan sai tu kacuan malah na so cimbo da terir no da tamane ratu no la ka da semati ke betana kambela tana lomen ben kaltal an kan bonbo Kemban balen dawa kacu kina kanta na cikui banua irtel ngana tume hunan baro. Roroto ke sini sulio lili walsa. Kero kanta taraira dawa sevir na mendarani rawat na dawa raw. Dona tambah baro. Arni aro raw.
Iya.
Nasar?
Raw.
Kero ni nontuturi di nabuci na bulo minggu. O ker kesaran buso na katu sa sulikin. Kintu hala tu kintu no koto. O koto pa mesa tu songo takin non tu suli. Bale rona bulo cungo. Sini lago li walsa. Tu kintu ngonta tomo takuko ke. Renda katong da le cini ngar tu ya 5 bulan tol. Ya saran ni raukin besul. Panu ni cuma bikin tutup. Na pulau minggu tu na leril cikenal. Cet. Taka kau cina program gue. Taka. Ya, pulau minggu tu sang tu pulau tu salut tu. Laku tu meni silut. Tu sana lut tu na pulau minggu. Laku batekin na seri. Tu sana kumunu batekin na tiga kumunu kin nando tu sul. Apa ya?
Iyo.
Kay kirito nga virto na nakulumuni sa tako ng rambulo durbukin ng Manila. And nangandri vinakar sa sang chikin. Kaya natarayin doon na bol ng balatan ni mamintang batatak. Mimikiran. Di mo noso kim nabasanggar kin. Kirito na numuni visto na kulo. Lomo ni bonua, lomo ni waswas. Kira na kulumuni gitawal kim mamikin. Di mo soto batan ni mulmulung. Buko batan ni bolbolda. Maro ikim mam menedada ni bunidana dada ni miada. Tapi so badada ni mamimbola. Kim sabe kire batan no muni lolam ci suno badi no lomuni naltam me chugo bati kim me liuta kim maru kim me tamo mai kim me sim de dai kin visin ke nga tau kilai e turana me ka koserai amen sulit ni bona paint tu lamanika lago tinani suju maka
How's the meat?
Huh?
How is it? Good. Thank you. So this is some Wanda people. Wanda from Tau. Sare, ngor na sig. Tak cingon apa?
Oh, I see.
Uncle ya good at it. Before one girl teach you. Uncle, I can teach you. So matau ya kita satu tu. This is what I already did. The Wanda. It's the second for the pepper. This is before the pepper. Yeah. This is the old generation thing. The Wanda. Sekinta ka ba ikut singkan ta ba ikut tal. Kunyo velos gitu. Ah?
From the village.
Oh, touch koi. Oi. Bina. Or what's that called? So people, it's time to the show. And this is all again. Mamgul. Sige dia guli. And everybody's
Ay, Raman, double lay. Kono ba sinay?
Buka tal sing nivimba. Rumba.